Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I am going to show you how I do my eyeliner in 6 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. So I first started up with the Duct tape, and then I put it where I would want my line to be, my eyeliner to be. So you just make sure that it's a little bit below your eye, and then you just put it nicely. Make sure it's on your skin, totally on your skin. There's no loopholes in between. That's what they're called. So now I am going to do this tutorial with Wet n Wild eyeliner. I will put everything, the details where I got it and for how much, in the description box below. So now I am putting on my eyeliner, following the Duct tape. Hence at the beginning I said you should make sure that you put it where you want your eyeliner to be. So putting on my eyeliner from the end of my eye, and then now I'm coming to the beginning of my eye. I have quiet eyelashes, natural eyelashes, which makes it a bit difficult for me to draw. Hence sometimes you find that it's not really clean, because sometimes I end up having some of the eyeliner on my natural eyelashes, and when I open my eyes it just mess my eyeliner everywhere. So other people might have the same problem, but unfortunately for now I do not have a solution to that problem. So I was just drawing it and making sure that I draw it right where I'm supposed to, and then I'm drawing it up so that when I open my eyes it doesn't get transferred to my eyelid. So I continued doing that, yeah, and fixing it. I did the same thing on the left eye. I didn't want my eyeliner to be a bit thick, or my wing to be a bit thick. I wanted it to be thin as much as it could. So if you want it to be a bit thicker than this, you can go a bit up, but with me I just wanted it to be thin for this tutorial because it's for beginners. So I did the very same thing I did on my left eye. I followed the Duct tape and then drew the eyeliner where I was supposed to, and make sure that everything is perfect. So because it was not straight and I was going for a nude color, I decided to clean up the eyeliner with a concealer. Please bear in mind that you can't do this after you have done your eyeshadow, unless if it's nude like mine. Yes, you can clean it up and make sure that it's straight, but with other colors you can do that. You're just gonna have to go with what you have. So when you're drawing an eyeliner, you need to make sure that you are very careful. You draw it where you want it to be. It's a bit difficult because you can't clean it up with a concealer, but I am in this tutorial because my color for this tutorial it's nude, so I can still put on the nude color on top after I have cleaned up the mess that I made with an eyeliner. So you need to practice more so that you know how to put your eyeliner without cleaning it up. So I decided to brush again with my fluffy brush a bit of the nude color. As you can see, everything is clean. So I did the very same thing on the left one. I put on a bit of eyeliner just to make sure that everything is perfect. So I used it to clean up where I made a mess. So to be good with this kind of stuff, you need to practice a bit more. So yeah, this is it for today's tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave that in the comment section below. I do reply to all of them comments. And then now I decided to take everything off. As you can see, it's pretty straight. The duct tape helped me straighten the eyeliner in a way that I wanted. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.